So we will let's start. 1 2 3. So you can't make like this 3 3 then 1 2 3. So I have 6, or you can make 10 10 whatever size you want. So I have 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. So I'm gonna make this size of scarf 40. So I'm gonna make 3 more, 1 2 3. So total I have 43. I'm gonna make 1 2 3. So this 40 I'm gonna make in the fifth one, which is the 39. So then I'm gonna make double crochet each stitch. So I'm gonna make each stitch double crochet, then I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I am at the end now. I will show you step by step. 1 2 3, chain 3. This is super fast pattern. 1 2 3 in third. Okay, from here 1 2 3 in third I'm gonna make V stitch, chain 1, same stitch, double crochet, yarn over 1 2 3, chain 1 in the same stitch, 1 2 3 in third, chain 1, double crochet, same stitch, 1 2 3, chain 1, 1 2 3, chain 1, the same stitch, 1 2 3 in third, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 in third, chain 1, 1 2 in third, always in third. So 1 2 3 in third, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So I have 3 1 2 3 3 stitches. I'm gonna make double crochet in third. Okay, like this. Easy pattern, even beginner can make this pattern. 1 2 3, yarn over. In the V stitch I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. This pattern just in 2 rows. One V stitch. Next V stitch. Oh, each V in the V 3 double crochet. Like this. Each V stitch 3 double crochet. Okay, so I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end, so I'm gonna make here double crochet. Oh, stuck somewhere, don't know why. So 1 2 3. Here I'm gonna show you something. Yarn over. Now it's too simple. Include this one. Okay, this 1 2 in third, which is I have 3 double crochet in the V stitch. So I'm gonna make top of this third middle one, make V, double crochet in same, yarn over 1 2. The always is too simple to understand. Top of the third middle one, here 3 double crochet, top of the middle one. Is simple to understand. Top of the middle one. So I'm gonna continue like this. Top of the third, chain 1, same stitch. So I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end this part. So viewers, I have 2 stitch at the end, 1 2. I'm gonna make in last one double crochet. Okay, you can see this lovely pattern, super fast. So chain 3, yarn over, again in the V stitch 3 double crochet, next V stitch, So I'm gonna continue like this. Each V stitch 3 double crochet. So now I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop my pattern. You can see edges. So whatever project you want to make, you can make scarf, baby blanket is pretty good and super fast this pattern. I hope you will like this pattern. Please, if you like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment. So I hope you love this pattern. It's super fast.